Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Describe about my mother. My mother is the most important person in my life. She is a source of strength, love and guidance every day. She is a housewife as well as teacher. To be honest person, she works hard to take care of our family and ensure that we are happy and healthy. Your kindness and selflessness inspire me to be a better process, such as my mother, best of in the world. She is a good person. She is a friendly person in my life. Thank you, Mother Self.